Prework allows you to set up one or more activities to be completed prior to running a live session. Participants access the Prework via a URL and complete the activities in their own time. Data is aggregated in Meahana and available for review during your session. When creating a session, you now have the option to add Prework. Click the New Prework button in the agenda above the lobby. A Prework section is added and the Prework configuration screen is displayed. Use this screen to enter instructions for the Prework. Add a title in the Prework name field. Enter instructions in the instructions field. Enter a closing heading and closing instructions. These will be displayed at the end of the Prework. Click the plus sign beside the Prework section name in the agenda to add an activity to the Prework. Select Add from Catalog. Only a select set of activities are available for Prework. Choose from those available. In this example, we'll select the Likert ranking, multiple activity, and add it to the Prework. Use the authoring pane to configure the activity as you normally would. In this case, we'll be asking participants to rate the value of potential features for each of two different audiences. We'll set the Items to Rank section to configure values and enter the set of features we'd like participants to evaluate in advance of our session. Now we'll add one more activity to the Prework. Click the plus sign beside the Prework section in the agenda and select Add from Catalog. We'll select Brainstorm for the new activity and add it to the Prework. We'll enter a prompt for the brainstorm using the presentation screen title field. We can also update the default activity instructions to provide more context to participants as they work through the Prework on their own. Once the Prework activities have been set up, click the Prework section header in the agenda to access the Prework configuration screen. Click the provided link to copy the Prework URL and share it with participants. When participants click the link, they'll see the Prework instructions. Activity instructions are displayed prior to the activity itself. For any of the ranking activities, participants will rate each item one at a time, just like they would during a live session. After completing one activity, participants click Next to advance to the next one. Again, they'll see the activity instructions first, and then the activity itself. The Prework closing instructions are displayed after participants have completed all of the activities. When you launch the session, you will see all of the Prework data that has been collected. Open the presentation window and show the results to review the Prework data during your session. Click through and discuss each of the Prework activities as appropriate. From here, you can move seamlessly into any additional activities that you have set up for your live session.